Hey, so this is an unboxing of the motherboard. It's MSI Z97-G45 after I ordered the Gaming 3 by accident. This was delivered by DPD. It's supposed to arrive at Saturday at 12 o'clock. Arrived 2 hours late and I paid an extra £10 for that, so I'm not particularly happy. Anyway, we'll open it up. Typical Amazon packaging. And there it is, the correct motherboard. So if we'll just open this, that looks better. There you go, that's the motherboard. I'm not going to take the static wrapper off. In the build I'll show you more in detail. So in here underneath the packaging of the I/O shield, two SATA connectors. One's right angled, one isn't. SLI bridging connector. You've got the disc there for the drivers. I think these are instructions. Quick installation guide, there we go. And the user guide. Very rare for something to actually have a printed off manual in the box. And there's a the badge there to put on your computer. It's just sticky back. And a door hanger to say I'm sorry I'm gaming and I'm not here. So that's the unboxing of the Z97-G45. Thank you for watching.